previous content, you may already know that I've got this, or I have a very similar seat cover in black on my Mule right now. We're gonna take a look at that. I've had it on my Mule for, Camo looks like. This is the back of the seat. I'm not sure if that's showing up on the video. Maybe the seat cover. Hey now, Axe. You just stay right where you're supposed to, friend. So, yeah, it's like a waterproof on this side. What's that called? Cordura. It's like heavy duty, what would I call it? Backpack material. Here's the top one. Start the buckles on the back of that one. These kind of clip around to each other, I guess, is the best way to describe that. I don't know if there's an official, well, there is. What's it say? Top of back cover. So there is official top. Good to know. Puts the bungee on the driver's side. Tucked in. Now, if I remember from last time, the initial install, you got to kind of wiggle it a little bit and get it positioned. You know what I mean? You got to position it. But once you get it on there, honestly, I haven't even thought about those seat covers because it's just part of the machine now. Get that tucked in. And it's all about like how well tucked you want everything, you know? And of course, I want it tucked nice. So I'm going to push the seat out a little bit and get this bracket back up underneath the back side of it so it'll take the extra out. And get that all tucked in there nice. Make it nice. Line the seams where you want them. Pull your extra material. This particular, the way the seat's mounted, there's a bracket, so you got to kind of work around that bracket. You could pull the seat, I guess, if you want to, like make a super tight install, but I've been okay. So this is saying front, bottom. Oh yeah, the pocket's right there. That makes it easy. Slide that across. Let's walk around here and get this side tucked in. Got a little glare, it looks like, in that light. I'll get that adjusted here in a second. Now that's the rough install. Now you just got to get that fine tuning. You got your sewn seams. You got to put those where you want them. I like mine around the corner. Bring that around. Let's make sure I'm not just filling the back of my head here. All right, so that glare is a little intense. Let me see if I can get this adjusted